Have you ever been caught in the rain while hiking? A sudden downpour can turn a scenic hike into a challenging adventure. But with the right planning, gear, and mindset, hiking in the rain can be a unique and enjoyable experience. Firstly, before you set off, check the weather. Use reliable resources to stay informed about the forecast. This way, you can plan accordingly and avoid any unexpected surprises. Secondly, always inform someone about your plans. Share your hiking destination and expected return time with a friend. This simple step could be a lifesaver in case of unforeseen circumstances. Next, prepare snacks and drinks to keep your energy levels up. A thermos of hot coffee or tea can be a game changer in cold, rainy weather. Also, don't forget to waterproof your essentials. Use waterproof containers or Ziploc bags to protect your phone, cash, GPS, and other vital items from rain. Furthermore, ensure your gear is prepped and ready. Keep your raincoat and pants easily accessible and store extra layers in waterproof bags. If the preparation seems too much, consider joining a guided hike. Companies like Wildland handle all the logistics, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip. Now, on to the gear. Invest in quality rain gear, including a waterproof jacket and pants. Brands like Gore-Tex are known for their effectiveness. Bag liners can be a great addition to your gear. Most backpacks are water-resistant but not waterproof. A bag liner can provide that extra layer of protection. When it comes to footwear, choose between breathable shoes that drain quickly or fully waterproof boots, depending on your preference and the expected weather. Hiking poles can be a real boon on rainy hikes. They provide stability, help test uncertain steps, and prevent slips. Finally, remember to pack extra clothes. A cozy fleece and warm socks can make all the difference in keeping you comfortable. To summarize, hiking in the rain can be an enjoyable adventure with the right preparation, gear, and mindset. Check the weather, inform someone about your plans, prepare snacks and drinks, waterproof your essentials, and prep your gear. Consider a guided hike if you prefer. Invest in quality rain gear, use bag liners, choose appropriate footwear, bring hiking poles, and pack extra clothes. With these tips, you'll be ready to embrace the rain and make the most of your hiking adventure. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining, and sometimes that silver lining is the thrill of hiking in the rain.